In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from multiple domains in GoHighLevel. This process will not only streamline your communications, but also ensure that your emails maintain high deliverability rates. Let's dive right in and take things step by step. Firstly, let's open up email services. This is your starting point for managing how emails are sent from your GoHighLevel account. Once you're there, log into your GoHighLevel account. If you have numerous sub-accounts, make sure you open the correct one where you want these email domains to be configured. Now navigate to the settings, then head over to the email services section. This is where all the magic happens. The next step involves adding each of your sending domains. You might have domains like mail.brand1.com, mail.brand2.com, or outreach.company.com, just to give you a few examples. For every domain you plan to use, click on Add Domain. Enter the domain or subdomain you intended to utilize for sending emails. Following that, you'll receive some DNS records to copy. These records are unique to each domain, acting like a set of instructions for directing and verifying your emails. Now let's talk about how to configure these DNS records with your DNS provider. This is a critical step to ensure your emails are delivered successfully and land in your recipient's inbox instead of the spam folder. Typically, the records you need to add will include SBIF, DKIM, tracking CNAME, and a return path. Don't worry if these terms sound a bit technical. They are standard records that email services use to authenticate emails. Depending on who your DNS provider is, like Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or Namecheap, the steps to add these records may slightly vary. Regardless, the general process involves logging into your DNS provider's platform, finding the domain's DNS settings, and adding the provided records. After you've added all the necessary DNS records, it's time to head back to GoHighLevel. Once you're back in GoHighLevel, click on Verify. This step is crucial as it checks if the DNS records have been correctly configured. You'll know the process is successful when your domains are verified. With your domains verified, you're ready to create sender emails. At this stage, go to the settings again, and this time to either My Staff or Email settings, depending on your workflow needs. Here you can set up various sender email addresses. For instance, you might want emails to appear from sales@brand1.com, support@brand2.com, or contact@agencydomain.com. Creating these sender emails is essential for maintaining consistent branding across your client communications. With all these steps completed, you're now equipped to send emails from multiple domains within GoHighLevel. Remember, correctly setting these configurations not only helps in keeping your emails out of the spam folder, but also improves your overall email engagement. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial aids you in managing your email domains effortlessly.